Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to change pin lock in our Motorola phone. As you want to change your pin lock, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change pin lock in Motorola phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your pin lock. Then guys, scroll. Guys, you can see your security setting. So guys, tap here. Guys, click on screen lock. Guys, enter your pin password. Again guys, click on pin. And guys, new password guys, we will take this 2580. And guys, don't do any mistake, be careful. Confirm. Then guys, now let's see. 2580. So are you friends, we have understood how to change pin lock in our Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet in next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.